Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by bringing your scene into a controlled workspace. Open the Max or import the mesh, set units, and save a new scene. Next, select the object deliberately using Select by Name or the hierarchy. This avoids accidental edits. Convert the mesh to editable poly or add an Edit Poly modifier so you can work non-destructively. This lets you toggle sub-object modes like Vertex, Edge, Border, Polygon, and Element. Once done, switch to Vertex mode and inspect topology before editing. Now focus on topology and forms. Identify edge flow and insert support loops with Connect or Swift Loop to control creases and silhouette. Use chamfer for smoothing sharp transitions and bevel to add depth on faces. When mirroring, do it before collapsing the stack to preserve symmetry. Employ soft selection for organic shaping and weld vertices with a small tolerance to fix gaps. Make sure you maintain quads where possible to prevent shading artifacts and to ease subdivision later. To finish, clean up normals and smoothing groups, unwrap UVs for texturing, and assign materials using the material editor. Collapse the modifier stack only after verifying geometry and UVs, since collapsing is hard to reverse. When ready, export as FBX or OBJ with correct units. If you encounter shading or scale problems, reset Xform and recalculate normals, because most display issues stem from transforms or inverted faces. Lastly, save incremental versions, so you can revert if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.